Hi. Hi, Nirupa. Hi, Prakshu.
Hello, good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
Fine, 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 fine.
Okay. Sir, sorry to ask you so many times. Did you get a chance to look at that?
No, Nirupa. Actually, I'm in travel.
Oh, okay. Okay. So when you are back, when you get a chance, I just wanted to follow up.
By this weekend, we'll complete.
Yeah,
For
because I
sure.
want to give a follow-up thing to Sunita.
Okay. No problem. I mean to say like after my changes, she no need to do that many changes.
Okay.
A very little bit maybe. It's completely depends upon her to
Okay.
do.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
I
Okay.
drafted it, but I need to put it in a proper order.
Okay. Okay.
You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
So we are going to Jupyter. I mean, these things are now Python.
Yes.
Uh,
But I have one or two doubts in Python.
Yeah. Yes. You can ask.
So for that, I think I need to share my screen to show that
Sure.
doubt.
Sir,
Sure. You
the
can share.
thing is, um, to be frank, either I'm doing whatever we are doing at the time, that one, and again I'm getting back to other thing. It is like how to sir, how to divide the work and do it is getting like
No. There is no shortcut, Nirupa. Okay. Actually, what will be the happen? I will tell. For example, if I complete entire Excel, if I complete entire Python, SQL in a specific order, na, if I
okay.
am completing the last one, you're completely blank with the remaining all the things which we completed.
Okay.
No doubt at all. No doubt at all. I'll write a bond paper and I'll give it to you. If you don't
No,
remember
no, that
anything, it
is
will be.
now that is like that only, sir. ఎందుకంటే so at that moment I feel okay, I'm good at this, and when I'm going to other one, I feel malla when I'm coming back to that, so it is like okay, searching for the everything again. How to you know how to
Uh,
divide, sir, like
I mean to say, like maybe you're thinking like that. You need to be master in all those things.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's not possible in a
Okay.
single shot or in a single span or without doing. I mean to say, like we are doing this much practical examples and we are doing this much practice.
Mhm.
Even though if you are saying like that, that's happening, just you can think how it will be. I'll mute all yourself and I'll deliver my lectures and I'll complete the syllabus. How it will be your situation?
No, so how to divide the work and do,
Right.
sir?
The thing is, you need to alter the time. I mean to say, like for example, today you practiced half an hour for Python. You need to move to SQL and try to do that thing. You don't try to remember the things. You need to habituate to the things.
Okay, just be in touch with everything every day.
It's
Yes,
just
right.
like
Why? Because
school things. All
huh,
subjects we have to cover every day.
huh,
It's like that.
yes, right. Why? Because even though if today, if I need to face an interview, it is difficult for me. I am also not able to remember each and everything.
Okay. No, I'm getting scared if I how with this kind of attitude how I can face the interview. But if somebody
Um,
asks me something, somehow I will give the answer. That is okay.
that is the only thing which is required, Nirupa. That is the
Uh,
only thing which is required. No one will expect you, how the Python documentation will be there. Python documentation is approximately 1100 pages.
oh,
SQL documentation is approximately 1700 pages. Anyone will remember all those things, or anyone will remember all those things? Each and everyone will know. That's it.
mm,
Know how to search, how to get what it is, what it
oh,
will do. If you
oh,
want to do that thing, what you need to do. That is the things only we'll know.
okay.
We need to be sure on that particular specific thing. For example, if you observe, um,
So Prakshu, every day you're reading everything half an hour.
No, I'm just giving you example like you can relate to.
I know, I know.
I mean, say like, no, Nirupa feeling you guys are completely sitting and reading, and
No,
she's not doing anything.
Yeah,
She's
yes,
feeling
sir.
like that.
like
It is like
my
I am feeling like, oh my God, everybody is studying and
no, but for me, my point is clear. I just want overview knowledge for all of that. I'm not going into too much deep or too much over. So like I know because
yeah,
it just came with practice. When we will get to work,
somehow I
Yes.
then
think I'm
we
aiming at mastery or something. I don't know.
No. That's
no
not possible. I mean, say like in
because
that with that attitude, you're not going to get a confidence to face an interview.
Yeah, I think that is what happening because whatever I'm doing, I'm feeling very confident. I'm going back again, it's taking one day to, okay, to recollect everything. I just sit and I recollect everything. But when I see it, I will understand, okay, this and this.
so I'm just
Okay.
focusing on clearing the doubts because otherwise Google is there.
You see this one. So this is just a basic document related to it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like that, you see these many PDFs will be there. How many PDFs will be there?
Hmm.
Only for Python.
Okay.
These all are the, for example, if you want to be master in libraries, it's not possible. Why? Because even though the Python inventor also not written all the libraries.
Okay.
You see this one? How many pages it is?
2000.
2294. Gudiyovon Rossum, he is the Python developer. He is
Okay.
the Python inventor or, developer, whatever it may be, you can consider. No, this much documentation will be there. We need to refer and we need to develop all these things. The basics are very much important and the basic knowledge is very important. All are developed from those things only.
Okay.
If you know the alphabets, then only you will read it, right? You'll read a language.
Yeah.
So that is the only criteria. And you need to have you need to know the path, how to solve the problems and how to utilize the things which you know and how to learn the things which you don't know. This is the way what you need to know. For example, I'll where it is. Okay. Okay, see. I told you what is a pandas. Pandas is a library.
Library.
Okay, to simplify some specific things which are related to data. How we are going to perform operations on the Excel. How we are going to filter, how we are going to do replacements, how we are going to manipulate, how we can able to select some specific columns, how we can able to filter data based on some specific conditions. We are able to do all such kind of activities with help of pandas. Why only pandas we are using is pandas, it will simplify the operations. It will simplify the operations. How it will be, I'll tell you. See, to utilize the pandas library, what we need to do, we need to import that library. Import each and every time we no need to write pandas. So that is the reason we are giving alias name. Okay, just you need to execute it. That's it. Now pandas libraries came into our notebook. The pandas library is available in our notebook. Now here you need to remember one thing, data frame. Data frame is nothing but one table which contains rows and columns. What? Rows
And column.
rows and columns. And headers. Headers means, right? The headings of the columns.
Yes.
Okay. Each and every column is a feature or dimension. You need to remember this thing. Each and every column is a feature or dimension. In these two categories are there: inputs and output. Okay, inputs are input features, outputs are the another name for output features is target variable. Features are feature or variable, feature or variable or dimension. In inputs and outputs, output are input features or input variables. Input features are input feature input variables. Output are target feature. Okay, is it clear for each and everyone? If you are not clear also,
Sir,
just wait,
can
you
you
will
tell
get
once
clarity. Yes.
again? So it is pandas, it's this rows and columns and headers, all these are data frames.
Hmm.
Like a table.
No, in a data frame, all these are names. Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
tell you, don't worry. I'll create a data frame and after that I'll tell.
Okay.
Okay, see this one, how you're going to create a table. Okay, so can you please tell me, Nirupa, how you're going to create a dictionary? How you're going to create a dictionary? For example, 1, 2. You forgot how to create a dictionary.
Sorry, I am talking on the, I muted and I'm talking, sir. No.
I'm really surprised.
So, yeah.
4. Okay,
It's
this is the
key and
dictionary,
value
right?
pairs. Yeah.
This is the dictionary. For example, I'm replicating this. Okay, see this one. This is the dictionary 2 I'm giving. Dictionary 3 I'm giving. Dictionary 4. Okay, and 4 dictionaries I have. Okay, now okay, see this one. Now I'm going to create my data set as another dictionary. How I am creating my data set?
Key value.
My column name is Nirupa. In that Nirupa, data will be okay, and proxy. and Smita. Okay, I created another dictionary. Now see this one. I executed all these things and kept ready. I'm preparing a data frame. This is my variable name. PD dot tab. PD dot tab to know all the functions which are available inside to the pandas library. Okay, what I want, data frame. See this one, how the data frame will be look like. Okay, data, executed it, and just you see.
Mm.
Okay, you understood? What are the header names?
Our names, Nirupa, Prakshu, Nikita, and Smita.
Okay, each and every column is a one feature.
Mhm.
Okay, each and every row is a record. 4 records are there. 4 records are there here about 4 people.
Yeah, got it.
Sir, I have
Okay.
question.
Yes, tell me.
For making this table, so we can only use the dictionary or like
No.
can
We have
use
couple of
the-
we have now you are becoming good 30 seconds.
Sorry
Okay,
about that.
I'm going to discuss about other ways also.
Mhm.
Okay, this is the one way. In the Python, another concept is also there. Series. What is the general meaning of series in English?
It's like a set of
Yeah.
things or whatever it is. It's a group.
Okay, S11 is a series. PD dot series. I'm creating a series.
Mhm.
What is my series? My series will contain 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, this is my series. Okay, now see, I'm just creating another series. S12 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I'm going to create another thing with 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.4, point. Okay, 3 series I created it here. These are the data series. These are not the dictionaries. Okay, previously we created data frame with help of the dictionaries. Now you see, now I am creating this particular data frame with help of the series. Now once again I am defining my data in the form of dictionary. How I am giving like the same four things I'll create now also. Control V data. I'll create another one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and this is a S13, S14. These are the 4 series, 4 names. S11, S12, S13, S1. Okay, executed it and okay, forgot. Executed it. Now pt dot data frame data. Is it clear how it will be?
Mm.
Just here, I'm making some changes to give some more clarity on it. Now the numbers or the records in this are completely, different, right?
Yeah, more values than the columns.
Okay,
So,
what may be the thing which it will show for the not availability of another records?
10, 11, 13, 14.
Why? Because in the S1, in S12, more records are there compared to S11, right?
Yes,
In that particular subsequent place, what it will show?
no, not
applicable.
not.
Okay, if
Okay.
this particular record contains up to these many values, all the remaining records it will show NaN, not a number. NaN means not a number. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the way how the data frame will work. I'll show you another way to create. with
Numpy.
NumPy arrays. NumPy arrays. Escape. I told you right previously. What is the meaning of dimension? What is the meaning of dimension? What are the maximum dimensions which you know up to now, which we are able to visualize? What is the meaning of one dimension? Simple. What is the meaning of one dimension?
So one
You all
dimension.
know, right?
Yeah, one dimension means like if you take a circle or a
Simple
ball. Yeah, simple
point.
point.
Simple point or line.
Line. Yeah,
What example for two dimension?
two dimension is
Like edges.
yeah, exactly.
Square.
X-axis and Y-axis.
Mm.
Yeah.
Not Y-axis means not that consultancy.
Mhm.
Three dimension means length,
Yeah.
Height
height.
and width.
Four dimensions means
Edges.
along with length, breadth, height, one more dimension will add. That is time.
Mm.
You don't watch Hollywood movies.
Time is the fourth
Time is also
dimension.
another dimension, fourth dimension, which we know up to now, which we can able to define in the current world. Okay, length is a one feature, breadth is another feature, height is another feature, time is another feature. If you are increasing the dimensions, it means to decide one specific point, we need to depend upon all those dimensions. Based on all those dimensions only, one point position will be there. I'll show you how it will be. I'll take one example. Mm, For example, okay, 1 second. I'll open Excel. Okay. Okay. Just see, if you want to find all these things on a line, how it will, how you're able to look like, how you're able to see this?
It's in a line.
It's on a
Line.
right. Okay, if you want to see this particular information, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 23 is there, right? This is A and this is a B. I'm considering about it is equal to n2. You see this one, this is a B. Okay, now I'll try to show you. This is the two dimension. How many features are there here? One is A and another one is B.
B.
If you want to know a specific position, see this one. The place of this position in this space is big because of the A and B, right? If you consider this 10 and 100,
Mm.
some 9 and something, some 5 and 25, Like that, to if the dimensions are going to increase, what will happen? If it is a 3-dimension, for example, if it is a 3-dimension, how it will be look like? 1 second, I'll show you an example. If it's a 3-dimension, 3D coordinate plane. Okay. Okay. See this one. You're able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Just I'll show you. 1 second. I'll set it in a proper way. After
Sir,
that,
what is this? This is not Excel, right?
not this is an Excel. This is an online.
Okay. See, 3D plotter. Okay.
For example, what is the best view for you? Okay, right. Okay, just you can feel like that. If you have any rectangular box inside to it, you have in front of you, if you have any rectangular box, just you can imagine. Maybe you are in a room, right? See one corner to your room. At there, 3 axes are going to meet at the corner. One is vertically and another remaining 2 are horizontally perpendicular,
Mm.
right? One is length and another one is breadth and another one is height,
Right.
right? If you want to use only 2 dimensions, then the points will be on the plane, only XY plane, either on the base or either on any of the wall, 2 walls. If you're going to use only 2 dimensions, you're getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Or is it difficult for you to understand? Can I say? For example, this is a this is your length, this is your breadth, and this is your height. You can consider. Okay, see now see this one. This is a length, this is a breadth, this is the height. Okay, just you see the point. All zeros are at this particularly exactly this point. Okay, just if you see the z axis is, I'm not changing anything. I'm just changing y axis. If I added y axis, how the point will going to move? See, along with the y axis. If I added one point on the x axis, how it is moving? Just see, towards x axis, right? Towards x axis, and it need to justify the y axis value and x axis value. So that is the reason it came to here. If I add one more value to it, what will happen? It will rise along with the z axis. Okay, you're getting what I'm saying? If I'm still increasing the height, then what is the value of this particular coordinate? X value is 1, y value is 4, and z value is 12. Okay, because of 3 dimensions, we can able to imagine in a whole hollow space in the room. It is not on the any wall and it is not on the ground. It is in the air because of all those lengths. If I'm going to increase the length, what it will happen? The distance it will move away from the x-axis. If I increase y also, then it will move along with the position in the y-axis. You're getting what is the meaning of dimensions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are able to see only up to 3 dimensions. After, if you increase the 4th dimension, we don't know how it will be. If we increase 10 more features, we don't know how it will be. But based on this, you need to understand how that particular segment will be affected because of all these dimensions. The position of one particular place or one particular instance is because of all these input dimensions. Because of all these inputs like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, you can consider 10 dimensions or 10 features. Based on all those 10 features, your resultant will be located in this space. You got it? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Now you have a 3 dimensions. Because of 3 dimensions only, these 3 only the influential factor where it need to be present. Because of these 3. If another 2 are added, X, Y, Z, U, V, those 2 also will influence the position of the point, right? Like that, if we have a 2 features, that will only decide our output where it need to be located. If we have 5 inputs, that all the combined 5 inputs will decide the output of our thing. If we have a 10 input features, it will give the, for example, 10 features are there like age, education, place, location, and gender. All these are the features, and his income stature is considered as an output. Based on all these things, his income stature will be there at some specific point. Okay,
Mm.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that is the dimensions, that is a dimensions concept. Now I'll show you how it will be look like. How you will create a list.
You give a variable and put some values equal to some values in the square brackets.
Okay, this is a 1 dimension. Okay,
Mm.
2 dimension means, remember, 2 lists will be there inside to it. Okay, one is this and another one is this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just see how it will be look like. Okay, I'll first will go with the 1 dimension list, and after that we'll go with the, first we'll get a clarity on 1 dimension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now
Data.
data is equal to dictionary.
True.
Okay, now I'm
Mhm.
executing it, and along with that, how I need to write data frame shortcut d dot data. Remember, D is capital and F is capital. Now I'm calling df. Okay, is it clear?
Mhm.
Mm.
But don't be confused up to now. Be clear on the 1 dimension.
That's a
So
table.
each and everything is a 1 dimension, right? Each and everything is a 1 dimensional one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is the way how you're going to create a data frames.
Mhm.
Actually, you no need to create data frames in real world. Already we have a data, right? We load with help of either database or through Excel or through other formats.
Mm.
Okay. Now we'll see different functions and different operations with regards to this particular data frames. What are the default data sets available in pandas? One second. Hmm. Okay. See, how can I see it like that? Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, you're looking for data sets, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Which are defaultly available in pandas.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, from file data set.
We can't use the same ones which we used in the beginning, like for
Yes,
the
we can use. Yes, we can use. Yes, we can use. When we are when I shared.
yeah, you want me to share it here, sir?
Okay, can you please name it? The SQL datasets, what you are saying?
SQL Excel, sir.
Excel. Okay, you can share me. You can share. You can share in the Excel in the WhatsApp.
Okay, Olympics one, simple
Yes, yes.
sample.
You can share.
Okay,
You
okay.
can share. We'll do that one. We'll do that.
Give me a moment, sir.
It's a very easy, but practice is very important
Mm,
coming to this. Uh, Prakshu, you told you have some doubts in Python.
No, not in Python. Right now in SQL,
Okay. Oh, what are your
MySQL.
doubts? You're facing any
Like I
errors?
was, yes, like I am not getting clarity on the query. I have two queries from
Okay.
a particular database.
Okay.
So I am not getting that how I can find the result for that query.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Sir, we'll use cube and all. This is the first time I heard like the cube one in SQL. We'll use them in the real time, sir, or it's just for the
Not our purpose. We don't use
yeah. When
cubes. You know, MicroStrategy and MicroStrategy developers.
no, I have not.
Intelligent MicroStrategy is also a tool like Power BI and Tableau.
Mm-hmm.
Those people will use intelligent cubes concept is there in the MicroStrategy.
Micro that comes under Power BI, sir.
No.
That is a different one
That is
altogether.
a different paid tool, very high paid tool,
Okay.
like a Citibank and those type of things they'll use
Okay.
desktop.
Why this is
Okay, I'm creating a data frame pd dot read CSV. Why? Because that is a CSV. Okay, XLS, right? Read. Uh,
okay. Okay.
this is a suitable one. Excel, and you need to give the location where it is there. Windows D and our Excel location is going to the properties.
Okay.
And its location is It is located. Okay.
Sir, I sent it, sir.
Someone shared in the chat.
Oh, okay.
Uh, dot.
We also have the Titanic one, right?
Yes.
In the for the Anaconda.
Okay. And you see, just see how many rows of data we have.
29.
29,216. Okay. You don't use this command. Here it is a 29,216 and my system capacity is huge. So that is the reason you're not able to see any effect on the visualization or
Mm.
on the system. If you maybe execute directly call this particular thing, it will load all the data into this particular Jupyter notebook. And it will display the first 5 records and last 5 records defaultly.
Mm.
Okay. Don't do that particular thing. For the explanation purpose and to analyzation purpose, we have some specific commands I'll tell you. Head, it means it will give you the top 5 records. Defaultly top 5 records. Okay.
Can we also use the Titanic one?
Default.
This is the Olympics.
Yes.
So the head, it will give top 5 records, sir.
Yes, right. The tail, it will give the last
Last. Okay.
5 records. Okay. If you want to see any customized records, you can fix those things. Df dot. For example, if you want to see top 10 records, you can see. If you want to see last 10 records, you can see.
Okay. Nice.
Okay. This is the way. If you have more number of columns, then the remaining in between the columns also will miss like this. How you're able to see the dashes at here.
Rather than head and tail, do we have any other function for in between records?
In between records. Sorry, I
Like
didn't understand.
if I want to see 15, 16 and 17th record.
No, so
From
by
this
default,
side.
head is showing for top 5 and tail is showing last 5, right, sir? So
Yeah.
if you want to see in
Between.
between the records, middle of the records, like, is there any other function to pull those records?
One second.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got your question. I'm going to say like if you want to see the in between records, what you need to do.
Mm.
Okay, thanks. Up to now, I also don't know the answer. I'll check and get back to you. See this. Okay. See this one. These are the first records. If you want to see the column names with help of columns. Okay. If you want to see the entire information about the data frame, info function will be useful for you. What type of information you are able to see it here? This is a data frame. And what is the range from 0 to 29215? Or how many are the total columns? 10 columns. What is the column and how many non-null values and what is the data type? Okay, is it
Sir,
clear?
yes, sir,
Hmm.
what is this, like in the above df.info, what is that index one, sir?
Index only, the range,
No,
right?
df.index.
No. df.info, that is index.
Okay,
How
not
we
this one, the output
ah,
one, what is that output, the above one?
output above one.
No,
This one,
output, yeah, what is that, sir?
the columns, to know
Oh,
all the columns in the data
columns.
frame,
Okay,
all the column names, to fetch all the column names in the data frame. This is the info.
okay,
Okay, and if you just
Describe.
describe.
describe, it will give the things related to the numerical columns.
Okay,
What is the numerical column at here? Only this particular one.
addition.
Okay, if you
Mm,
have if you convert all the we can convert all these columns into different data types. We can group it, we can segregate it, we can do multiple operations on it. 1 second. These are the things, these are the basic commands which you need to know. Columns, columns names, information, tails, and 1 second. I'll share some cheat sheet with you. You need to remember.
So you mean those functions which are usually used in
Yes,
projects?
yes,
Okay.
yes. I'm
Okay.
sharing some cheat sheets. Try to go through
Mm-hmm.
that and be familiar with that. Familiar with those
Okay.
things. Okay.
Okay.
1 second.
You'll share here
I'll
or
sh
on WhatsApp group?
I'll share the link from officially from Pandas itself, the cheat sheet. Can you please see your chart?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
I'm just opening it and you're able to see these things. This is how, what is the data frame, how you can able to create it.
mm,
Okay, how you can able to create data frame from the people. Okay, and summarizing the data, what are the things? How many value counts? What is the shape of the means? Unique items in each and every column. Okay, I'll show you. For example, uh, how many columns we have it here? 10 columns, right? 10 columns. For example, once again, df dot columns. Okay, city. How many unique cities I need to? We have df dot city dot unique. These are the unique cities.
mm.
Okay, if you want to know on each and every city, how many records are there? df dot city dot value counts. All the records is not this much simple in SQL. You getting
Mm.
how much difficult query you need to write in SQL?
Yeah.
df.city.value counts.
Value counts is the function. This is the
Okay.
column. This is the data frame. Data frame column, and this is the thing. This is the way. Okay, if you want to see the percentage wise, okay, normalize is equal to false. Okay. Okay, these are the percentages. How the distributed percentages are there, how the percentages are distributed. If we don't give anything, it will give the way of these are the different features. These are the default values. If I execute this, the entire 22,000 something records are there, right? Like this. Okay. If you want to know the count, df dot sorry dot ct dot n sorry n unique. Sorry. There's a command for it. N unique count. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The standard way of accessing specific column from the data frame is with the help of square brackets. Okay. But most of the times, if you have any gap in your column names, for example, city space name, it's not going to work out. So that is the reason in square brackets, if you mention the name of the column, it will be give clear cut information and unique. Okay, you can able to know how many counts, group by counts you will get, how many unique elements you will get. You can able to select the columns also. For example, you don't want all the columns. If you want to select a specific columns, then what you need to do in the list, you need to give the column names. What are the columns you want? City and gender and what are the column you want to give?
Sport.
Athlete athlete and okay, athlete. These only I want. Okay, if you miss to include the another square bracket, you will get error.
Mm.
Okay, you can select in SQL. How we will write? Select this comma, this comma, this comma from this particular table. We will write right like this, right? Here also we can able to perform joins, we can able to match data frames, we can able to match data frames on those conditions, we can able to create new columns based on the existing column conditions with help of simple commands, comparatively SQL.
Mm. So how to do group by here, sir?
Group by we already did, right?
Mm.
Value counts, this is the only group by, right?
Oh, okay. Okay.
So that is the reason Python is famous. That is the reason Python got popularity.
So here it is saying for Athens, there are 2,149.
Yes.
What is that? Athletics or something or?
Yes, right. For example, here, if you want to write any other condition, that thing also you can include. Another conditions also you can include. You can drop null values, you can filter conditions, you can use filters, you can use group bys,
Mm.
you can merge the data frames, you can drop the columns, you can create new columns, you can replace the values on specific conditions. Okay, you can you can fix the lock and ilock. Lock and ilock are to access the columns and to access the rows. The indexing concept will be the same how we discussed in the Python. Okay, we can able to sort, we can able to rename. Sort
So
values. Sort values. That is the only command. For example, is there anything difficult in it to perform the sort?
No.
Is there degrees are required to it to do it? Okay, like
so
this much simple.
so for ascending, it came by default. It is giving ascending. For descending, we
Yes.
have to do in the brackets descending, sir.
Yes, right. In the brackets, you need to mention like that. Um, what
Like
is sort?
DESC.
No, not DESC. I mean to say like it will be not equal, right?
Yeah,
Exactly not will be
that's
the
it.
same. But 1 second, I'll tell what is the exact. The inside, we are passing some values, right?
Hmm.
Those are called parameters.
Hmm.
Okay, those are called parameters. I'll tell. Okay, right. Ascending is equal to false.
Hmm. Okay.
Defaultly, it is ascending. Ascending is equal to false. For example, just you asked me, right? I didn't remember exactly the word. Just I said I searched. You see, for example, ascending. What it is saying? What you're able to get it? Ascending order in pandas.
Mm.
Simple first search. You're able to get like this, or most probably you need to choose for the pandas documentation. It will give more informative in a fraction of seconds. If you even though if you don't know also, you are able to get it when if you're able to ask a proper question. Okay,
Hmm.
just go through the cheat sheet which I shared with you.
Okay.
Okay, and try to load the data. If you are facing any problem in the loading the data, just remember you need to include the R.
R for reading.
So can you copy paste this command and send it?
Which command?
Yeah, this one, the read one
Read.
again. Yeah, DF read. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Sorry, 1 second. I'm searching it, not pasting
Sir, chat. Yeah, chat.
the chart. Shit. I shared in the Excel also. Try
Hmm.
to go through it if it's possible, and if you are able to implement or if you're able to use any commands in the cheat sheet, that's fine. Otherwise, no problem. We're going to discuss all those things. The things which we did, which we are able to do it in the pivot tables also, we can able to create in the pandas. We can merge, we can join, we can impute values, we can group by, we can filter, we can use multiple filter conditions. All those things we can able to do. Here you need to remember, here we can able to do all these operations on very huge amount of data. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million records of data. Okay, with less computational power. Is it clear?
Yes.
Just go through the cheat sheet, be familiar with that words, that's it. But head the tile, describe, info, value counts, sort values, and some approximately 20 to 22 commands will be there. Those are need to be your fingertips. Why? Because each and every time in our any analysis project, those commands, without using those commands, we're not able to start the task. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that is the reason we are discussing all those things. SQL has its own benefits, Python has its own benefits, and Tableau has own benefits. If anyone feel like that why Python is extremely useful, then there is no meaning of these many languages and these many databases. Everything has its own pros and own cons. Okay, thank
Sir,
you.
Uh,
So
yes.
now can I ask question?
Yes, yes,
Like
you can
doubt?
ask. Yes.
I have to share my screen then.
Okay, sure.
So this one. First, this question is this: list of advisor and investor name in one table.
Okay.
So I did that union, combine two tables
List
in
of
one.
advisor and investor name in one table. Okay.
Yes.
Union. Okay. Select I dot a frame name. You given as a investor name as a I. Okay. Selected first name and last name and company name. Okay. Union with first name and last name. Select first name and okay. 2 times you selected first name. Okay. And
Yeah,
you
because it.
unioned it.
uh, Hmm. So now it is running, but I want to
No, no,
do
no,
that.
no, no,
It.
no, no, no. You did a wrong thing. You did a wrong thing. Can I tell
Oh,
one? Union on basis of some specific things, right? Each and every two are same. First name and last name are same in those two tables.
No. This one is from investor, and this one is
Okay.
from advisor.
If both names are different, how you're going to union?
Okay. Okay.
You understand my
So it.
name? You understand my concern?
Yes. Yes.
If
Okay.
both the name, first name and last names are different in two different tables, how you're going to
Hmm.
union? If you
Yes.
want to
Yes.
union on
Hmm.
basis of something, right? Either the same header names or same type of data, you can able to merge all those things. But okay, what is the thing you're getting here?
So it is now showing this like
First,
first name, last name. These three are from I think investor because investor have
okay,
company name.
how many records are there in the investor table? Only investor
One,
table.
four, four. No, three.
How many?
Yeah, three. Investor only three.
No, 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 no.
no,
Investor has only three
no,
names,
Hmm.
three first name and last names. Not here, not
Yeah.
here.
in the
Raksh.
original table.
Yes, in the original table, can you please run select first name, last name, company name from the investor?
Okay, I will do it here.
And after that, individually run the select first name and last name from the advisor. Then can you please
Okay.
write a query to merge all these two things and check the records are coming. If it is a union means what you need to come records in the table 1 plus records in the table 2,
Hmm.
right?
Oh. Okay, now first I will run this.
Okay.
Only three records are there.
Only 3 records are there. Okay. Run the second one.
Okay.
Just remove that star and run this one.
These four.
How many records are there? Not
Four.
43, right? Okay, okay. No, no, no. 4 only. Okay, total 7 records. Now you can combine and you can execute it.
Like with union?
Nothing is wrong in it. Yes. Remove the union. Okay, you can execute it. No, no, no. Not remove the comments. What I'm saying.
Okay.
Run the entire 2 queries.
I have to
Take
remove
the
these
semicolon.
columns also.
Remove the semicolon. Run.
I got 7 now.
Yes, that's fine, right?
So I have question in this, like I want like these first three records are from investor.
Yes.
So I want to specify after like towards them that they are investor as a type. How I will do that?
What?
Okay. Then you know what you need to do? You need to create another column in the investor table.
So I can do it here or I
No,
Yes,
no.
first I have to add in the table.
you can you no need to insert a table, but you can able to create a new column based on directly forcefully installing I investor. Type is investor. You can create a column name as a type and you can add like as a investor, and you can
Okay,
create
okay.
another column in the Another column for the
Uh,
advisor, and the type
advisor,
you can
type as
advisor. Then you
advisor.
can merge.
Oh,
In the another column, you will get investor and advisor, investor and advisor.
okay, got it. Now, coming on second question.
Okay.
Now, this is the question like,
Okay. We're interested in how well you have covered the most awarded actors. Of all the actors with 3 type of awards, for what percentage of them do we carry a film? How about the actors with 2 type of awards? The same question, actor with just 1 type of awards. Okay. Then how you will do?
so that was not, I'm not getting. I just tried
Okay.
like first I
Simply,
saw the
Nirupa,
which
how you will do
awards.
this question?
Sir, no, I'm just reading the question. I'm not, I didn't understand the question properly.
Because you know English very well, right? So that is the reason you're not able to understand. I know only little bit of English, right? So that is the reason I'm able to see. I'm able to understand. She want to know. Correct me, Prakshu. She want to know the people who received the 3 awards, who received 2
Hmm.
awards, who received 1 award.
Hmm.
The actor
Uh,
names.
Mhm.
Okay, how you will do that
Hmm.
thing? Emmy, Oscar, Tony. Those are the award names.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, I run that select from a actor award. So I have these 3 awards, Emmy, Oscar, and Tony. So I
Emmy,
just
Oscar,
got
and
only,
Tony.
I just got these like conditions. So if some awards have 3 awards, then 3 awards. Then in 2, it can be these 3 like combination. So I gave that, then 2 awards. Otherwise 1 award. But I am not getting now. I am running it, so I have to choose 1 column here also.
Okay, what you need to do? You need to group by awards.
Mm.
Okay, if the count is 3, 3 awards. If the count is 2, 2 awards. If the count is only 1,
Huh.
awards group by actor.
After this, I have to do group by on these conditions like when.
Yes. Yes, not
Okay.
remove this particular. I mean to say forget about the query which you write. I'm saying that
Hmm.
I'm telling you the suggestion. You need to
Okay.
group by awards by actor.
Hmm. Okay.
Then how many this particular actor contains 3 awards? You will get the count of 3.
Yes. Hmm.
We did such type of example. I didn't remember
Yes.
where we did exactly, but count
Yeah.
of
Yeah. With.
group by count we did it.
Hmm.
We did some example.
So then I will get the answer like.
You will get the you will get you will get a column. You will get entire column of those things. How many actors got 3 awards? How many actors got 2 awards? How many actors got 1 award?
1 award. Okay.
Okay, from there onwards you can use group by and you can get the count.
Mm.
Okay. I will try to do that way. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
no problem. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Meet you.
sir.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Mm.